Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create a AWeber subscriber on teleform submission. So I am running a fitness coaching center, and now what I want to do is that as I have already created a sign up form by using teleform, and I have added that form on my website. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through teleform, then automatically I want to create a new subscriber in my AWeber account. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that I simply need to build a connection between teleform and AWeber. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through teleform, then automatically I will create a new subscriber in AWeber. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create a AWeber subscriber on teleform submission. So as the owner of a fitness coaching business, I use teleforms to collect information from potential clients who are interested in my workout programs or personal training services. So by integrating teleforms with AWeber, I can automatically add anyone who submits my form to my AWeber email list. So this will allow me to follow up with personalized emails, share fitness tips, offer special discounts on training packages, or send newsletters about the new programs. So this automation will help me to stay engaged with leads and convert them into paying clients or customers. So all this is going to happen while saving time and streamlining my process. So here what I want to do is, I want to connect teleforms with AWeber in such a way that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through teleforms, then automatically it will create a new subscriber by using all the detail of that form submission in AWeber. So here for doing this automatically, I need to set up an automation and a connection between teleforms and AWeber with the help of Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I can set up this automation and this connection without any coding and programming skills. And here for using Pabbly Connect, I need to open a new tab and I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create a AWeber subscriber on teleform submission. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I will find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And in this, I have this particular folder of automation. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window for our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here I need to first set up my trigger, and here I can only set up single trigger step and multiple action steps. Now here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application, and here in my trigger application, I'm going to use teleforms. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select tele here. And now I have to give my trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. And new response is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect teleforms with Pabbly Connect. And for that, I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between teleform and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions. And first I need to copy this webhook URL. And with the help of this webhook URL, I'm going to connect my teleform with Pabbly Connect. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically I'm going to get that response of that form submission here in Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to take you to my teleform account, and here this is my Teleform account, and in this I have these two forms. So this is my sign up form that I want to use, and I want to connect this form with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to open this form, and here I need to go to integrations, and here in integrations we can see I have this particular option of webhooks. So I need to use webhooks, and by using webhook I'm going to connect this form with Pabbly Connect. So I need to click on this connect button under webhooks, and here first I have to give my endpoint URL. So here I'm going to paste my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here, and now I just need to click on connect, and here I have successfully added my webhook in my Teleform. Now that I have connected Teleform with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here in Pabbly Connect we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I need to create a new form submission, and as I will create a new form submission, then automatically I'm going to get that response of that form submission here in Pabbly Connect. So here for creating a new form submission, I'm going to take you back to Teleform, and here I'm going to click on this share button, and here this is the link of my form. So I'm going to copy this, I will open a new tab, and I'm going to open my form. Now here this is my sign up form, and I need to fill this form with the dummy details to create a test submission, and as I will create a new form submission, then automatically I'm going to get that response in Pabbly Connect. So here I have to give the first name, and my first name is going to be Michael, last name is going to be Karis, email will be michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com, and I'm going to give a random phone number. Now that I have filled all the required details, I'm going to click on submit. And here I have successfully created this form submission. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. Now here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my form submission that I've just created in Teleform. And here I have received that response. Now here I have the first name, that is Michael. I have the last name, that is Karis. I have the email address, that is michaelkaris@pabblytudes.com. And I have the random phone number or the mobile number of my user. Now that we can see I have received all these details of my form submission. Now what I want to do is that I automatically want to use all these details, and by using all these details I want to create a new subscriber in my AWeber account. So for creating a new subscriber in AWeber, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I need to search for my action application, that is going to be AWeber. Now I'm going to select AWeber here, and I'm going to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab, and add or update subscriber is going to be my action event. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to connect AWeber with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection, and now I need to click on connect with AWeber. Now I'm going to scroll down, and here I need to add the login details. So I have to give my login name and the password, and I need to allow access to give access to my account. So I'm going to fill the required details here. Now here I have added my login details. I'm going to click on allow access. And here I have successfully connected AWeber with Pabbly Connect. Now here for creating a new subscriber, I need to fill all these details. And here first I have to select my account ID and the list ID. So here for selecting the account ID, I need to open this tab, and I only have one account in my AWeber account, so that is already selected. Now I'm going to give the list ID. So here I need to select the list where I want to add my subscriber in AWeber, and for selecting the particular list, I can open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the lists that you have in your AWeber account. I only have one list that I have created in my AWeber account, that is of subscribers list, so that is already selected, and in this particular list I'm going to add my new subscriber. Now I have to fill all these details of my subscriber. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use all the detail of my form submission from my previous tab of Teleform, and by using those details I'm going to map these required details, and I'm going to map those details so that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission, then automatically all these details that I'm going to add here with my form submission detail will get replaced in the real time, and I will create new subscriber every time I'm going to receive a new form submission. So here I'm going to use mapping for that, and mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of Tally, and here I need to give the full name of my user. So I'm going to first map the first name, I will give a space, and I'm going to map the last name. So here I have given the full name of my subscribers. Similarly, I'm going to give the email address. So this is the email address, so I'm going to map this. Now I have all these other tabs too, but these are not the required details, or these are not the details that I'm receiving from my teleform submission. So I'm not going to fill these details. I'm only going to give the mobile number. Now here I have mapped the mobile number too, and I'm leaving all these tabs blank. But if you want to fill these details, you can do that too. And here I have mapped all these details and I have filled the details that I have received from my teleform submission. Now what is going to happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new form submission from teleform, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new detail in the real time. And with every new form submission that I'm going to receive through teleform, I will create a new subscriber in AWeber. Now that I have filled all the required details, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quick button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new subscriber in my AWeber account by using all the detail of my teleform submission. Now to check whether I've created a new subscriber or not, let me take you to AWeber. And in this, I'm going to go to subscribers. I'm going to open all subscribers. And here in subscriber list, we can see I have just created this new subscriber that is named as Michael Karras. I have the email that is michaelkarras@pabblytudes.com. I'm going to open this subscriber. And here we can see I have this random mobile number of my subscriber too. So here we can see that these are all the detail of my form submission that I've created in my teleform. And as I've created that form submission, then automatically I've created a new subscriber in my AWeber account by using Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I have successfully created this automation and this connection between teleform and AWeber. And now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new form submission through teleform, then automatically by using all the detail of that form submission, it will create a new subscriber in my AWeber account or in my email list in AWeber. So with this, I can update my email list in AWeber, and automatically I will create new subscribers whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission or a new sign up for my fitness service or for my business. So here I have successfully created this automation and I have connected teleform with AWeber. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected teleform to AWeber to automatically create a AWeber subscriber on teleform submission. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was tele, and my trigger event was new response. Then I have set up my action step, and my action application was AWeber, and my action event was add or update subscriber. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I am also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.